what was your most significant achievement today?
Um, Finding a person that I can say is my girlfriend that puts up with me, but most importantly has a similar background and can understand. She has those, she's been in the trenches her life and trying to make it as well, and now making it as a successful recruiter, technical recruiter. I would say that is one of my successes on a personal level. On a professional level, getting a company off the ground that has nearly died. I've lost count how many times, but now we are on our way to, the, I guess the promised land, if you will, or on our way up, and on the sales side, on the technology side, on the customer side, on the investment side, it was all worth it. But there were definitely moments where the average person would have given up, which is fine because there's a reason why the 1% exists, what the 10% exists, what the 5% exists. There's a reason for that. Nature just has a way of self-correcting every couple of, every so often, whether that's economical, and we're not talking people who have inherited wealth. We're talking about people who have worked their asterisk off to get there, and so there's always a natural way to do that. So I think my company, and I think on a personal level, my girlfriend as well, and we're all trying to make it in New York. We live in a great place right now, but we're always trying to find the next big thing, maybe the next person we want to help. We actually just gave away almost 100 licenses for free to restaurants, gyms, hotels, through a partnership with AppSumo and Partner Program. You want to be in a position to give away product and your success as well. Once you've achieved success, share a little bit of it with other people who are looking for it as well and could desperately use your help. So in that spirit of that, if you need help, if you want to reach out, Arjun, ARJUN at Hellowoofy.com will get you to me. And of course, I'm sure you're open to mentoring people as well. Reach out, make the ask. That's the only way you can get ahead.